Hello guys, good morning all of you. Today we want to discuss the various forms of equation of straight lines. Okay, here we have so many forms. So first three forms I wrote: horizontal line and a vertical line and a point slope form of a straight line. Okay, so still two more forms is there: 2 point form of a straight line and the intercept form of a straight line and the normal form of a straight line and the slope intercept form of a straight line. Okay, one by one we will discuss. Okay, if the line is horizontal line, so what are the equations of a line? We have to solve it now. Okay, so first of all I will draw the diagram. If it is a horizontal line, okay guys, all of you listen. If it is a horizontal line, this line is denotes a distance from the x-axis. Guys, all of you listen. If a horizontal line is L at a distance a units from the x-axis, okay, which means the line should be horizontal lines, whether it is lies above the x-axis or below the x-axis. Is it clear, everyone? Now, so what I told here, the distance from x-axis is a. The distance from x-axis is a. If you observe clearly, the ordinates of every point lies on this line is constant. Is it clear? Then the equation of line is, you will get this one is y equal to small a. This one is y equal to minus a. Is it clear, everyone? So all of you note down. If a line L is horizontal line, if horizontal line L is a units distance from x-axis, then ordinates of every line, then ordinates of every point on the line, is whether it is a or either a or minus a, then the equation of horizontal line, okay, then the equation of horizontal line, the equation of line L is y equal to a or minus y equal to minus a. So it depends on the sign. This line is whether it is lies above the x-axis or below the x-axis. Is it clear, everyone? Horizontal line. If a horizontal line is at a units distance from the x-axis, okay, then ordinates of every point lies on the line. So the equation of horizontal line is y equal to a or y equal to minus a. The sign will be, it depends on the line lies above the x-axis or below the x-axis. Is it clear, everyone? Horizontal line. Next, the vertical line. Okay, the equation of a vertical line similar way like this. So this is the line. So the vertical line is like this. Is it clear, everyone? So this line is b units distance from y-axis. Okay, this line is b units distance from y-axis. So this line will be x equal to minus b. This line equal to x equal to b. So directly you can represent the equation of vertical line is x equal to b or x equal to minus b. The next sign will be, it depends on whether right side of y-axis or left side of y-axis. Is it clear, everyone? Now you write that. So the equation of vertical line is x equal to b or x equal to minus b. Is it clear, everyone? So this is very important. Okay, the equation of vertical line at a distance b units from the y-axis. So the equation will be x equal to b or x equal to minus b. Okay, now point slope form of a straight line. This is very important. Okay, all of you listen very carefully. Let me take a non-vertical line L. Okay, non-vertical line means whether it's not a horizontal line, it's not a vertical line. Okay, so let me draw the diagram here. So this one, so this is x-axis, this is y-axis, so this is origin. Is it clear, everyone? Now non-vertical line means the line will be like this. So this line is L. Is it clear, everyone? Now there is a point, there is a fixed point lies on the line. So this one is P naught, x naught comma y naught. Is it clear, everyone? So then they are asking what is the line equation of this? Okay, a line is passing through fixed point and the slope is m. Okay, so what are the equations of a line they are asking? Okay, now so straight line means what? Collection of so many points. Okay, let me take one general point on the line. So let me take one general point on the line. So p of x comma y. Is it clear, everyone? Now so by using definition of a slope of a line passing through 2 points formula, what ma? M equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So by using that concept we have to solve this. Okay, is it clear, everyone? Now I am giving introduction to you. Let p naught x naught comma y naught is a fixed point. Is a fixed point and the line slope, fixed point with the line slope is small m. Okay, let me take p of x comma y is a arbitrary point. P of x comma y is a arbitrary point. Arbitrary point means this point is not fixed, it is a variable point. Guys, all of you listen, this point is not fixed, it is a variable point. Okay, now by using definition of a slope, slope L is m equal to y2 minus y1. What I will get here? Y minus y naught by x minus x naught. Is it clear, everyone? Now this x minus x naught, if I cross multiply this side, what I will get? Y minus y naught equal to m into x minus x naught. So this is called slope point form of a straight line. Okay, sorry, point slope form of a straight line. Okay, they will ask questions based on this formula. Equation of a line passing through a fixed point and the line slope is m. Okay, what is the equation of a straight line? At that time, a line is passing through one point and the line slope m they give. Directly you have to apply this formula. Is it clear, everyone? So now, so the equation of a line passing through x naught comma y naught, and the line slope m, and the line slope is m. Then what is the equation of a line? Directly we can represent y minus y naught equal to m into x minus x naught. Is it clear, everyone? So this is the very important formula, point slope form. Equation of a line passing through fixed point and the line slope is small m. What is the equation of a line? Directly I can represent y minus y naught equal to m into x minus x naught. Is it clear? So all of you note down this. Now guys, all of you see here. So I want to tell two examples based on those synopses. You see the first problem. Find the equation of the lines parallel to x-axis and y-axis and passing through the point minus 2, 3. Is it clear everyone? Okay. So let me take y-axis and x-axis. So this is x-axis and this is y-axis. So let me take the point minus 2, 3. So here the x value is negative, y value is positive. So the point lies on the second quadrant. So this one is minus 2, 3. So they are asking what are the lines passing through the point minus 2, 3 and which is parallel to x-axis and perpendicular to y-axis. You see here, this is x equal to minus 2. X equal to minus 2 if I draw like this. So this is parallel to y-axis. So this is x equal to minus 2. Next, this one is what? Y equal to 3. Y equal to, if I draw here, so this is parallel to x-axis. This is y equal to 3 line. So these two lines are passing through minus 2, 3. Is it clear everyone? Now all of you observe here. Okay. So it is based on point slope form of a straight line for a problem. Okay. So find the equation of a line passing through the point and with the line slope m they give. Okay. Now let the given point is x0 comma y0 is x0 comma y0 is minus 2, 3 and slope m is equal to minus 4. I know the fixed point and I know the line slope. Then if you want to find the straight line, equation of a line, formula is what? Y minus y0 equal to m into x minus x0. So the equation of a line passing through x0 comma y0, passing through x0 comma y0, x0 comma y0 with the slope m, with the slope m is equation of a straight line is y minus y0 equal to m into x minus x0. Is it clear everyone? Now what is the value of m here? Minus 4. x0 is what? Minus 2. y0 is what? 3. Okay. If I substitute these values here, what I will get? Y minus 3 equal to minus 4 into x minus of minus 2 becomes plus 2. Okay. If I simplify this one, y minus 3 equal to minus 4x minus 8. Okay. These two terms, if I shift this side, what I will get? Y minus 3 plus 4x plus 8 equal to 0. Okay. Finally, this equation, if I write it here, what I will get? 4x plus y minus 3. Minus 3 plus 8 becomes what? Plus 5, which is equal to 0. So this is the equation of a line passing through the point with the slope is minus 4. So this is the line. Okay. All of you understand? So now all of you note down. The next one is 2-point form. 2-point form means the line is passing through two fixed points. Previously, the line is passing through only one fixed point. Now, the line is passing through two fixed points. So, the diagram will be like this. Guys, all of you listen very carefully. So, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Okay? The line of a non-vertical line like this. Okay? Now, you see here. So, let me take two fixed points. So, this one is P1, x1 comma y1. Okay. So let me take this one is P2, x2 comma y2. Is it clear everyone? So now the straight line means collection of so many points. Okay. To form the 2-point form of the equation of a line, so we have to take a general point on the line. So let me take the general point. So this is the point P. So x comma y. So why I am taking this one? So straight line means collection of so many points. Okay, the symbolic representation of all the points. That's why I am taking the general point P is x comma y lies on the line. Okay, is it clear everyone? Now if you observe clearly, these 3 points are lies on a line. Okay, if 3 points are lies on a line, those 3 points are collinear points. Okay, if those 3 points are collinear points, slopes of P1 P is equal to slopes of P1 P2. Okay, once again I am repeating, if 3 points are collinear points, slope of P1 to P equal to slopes of P1 to P2. Is it clear everyone? Now all of you note down the introduction part. Let the line capital L is passing through fixed point. Passing through fixed point. Fixed point P1 is x1 comma y1. Okay, and P2 is x2 comma y2. Okay, now let me take let P of x comma y is general point of the line. General point of a line. Is it clear everyone? Now, so if P1 comma P2 lies on a same line, you write it here. So the points P1 comma P2 and P are lies on a same line. Lies on a same line. So these 3 points are collinear points. So these 3 points are collinear points. So if 3 points are collinear points, their slopes are equal. So slope of P1 to P, which is equal to slope of P1 to P2. Okay, slope of P1 to P2. Now the line passing through 2 points, we know the formula how to find the slope. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. You see here, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So what I will get? Y minus y1 by x minus x1. Is it clear everyone? So which is equal to, you see here, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay, now this one if I cross multiply that side, what I am getting? Y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Is it clear everyone? Now the equation of a line passing through 2 fixed point formula is y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So here y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is called slope of this line passing through these 2 points. Okay, indirectly if I take this is m, this is equal to what I will get? Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. So this will get converted as a point slope form. Okay, so now equation of a line slope is m, and which is passing through this point, directly I will get the equation. Okay, now so finally conclusion is this equation of a line. Okay, they will ask the questions based on this formula is equation of a line passing through 2 fixed point. Okay, then what is the equation of the line they will ask. Okay, I'll write it here. So equation of a line passing through the fixed point passing through fixed point. Fixed points, not pointer. Passing through fixed points x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 and x2 comma y2 is, okay. So directly you can apply the formula y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Okay, is it clear everyone? So all of you note down this. Based on this I will explain you one problem. Okay, so all of you note down. Now guys, all of you see here example 3. Write the equation of a line passing through the points 1 comma minus 1 and 3 comma 5. Okay, so by applying 2-point form of a straight line, we have to find the equation of the line. Okay, so now what in all points they give? X1 comma y1 is, let x1 comma y1 is 1 comma minus 1. So x2 comma y2 is what? 3 comma 5. So by using 2-point form, so what is 2-point form of a line? So y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Okay, is it clear? Now I have to solve. So y minus, what is y1 value here? Minus 1. So minus of minus 1 becomes this one plus 1, which is equal to y2 minus y1. So what I will get here? 5 minus of minus 1 by x2 minus x1, 3 minus 1 into x minus x1. So I will get minus 1. So this one is y plus 1. So 5 plus 1, what I will get? 6 by 3 minus 1 is 2 into x minus 1. So 2 1s are 2 3s are. Okay, what I will get here? Y plus 1 equal to 3 times of x minus 1. So if I simplify this one, y plus 1 equal to, if I multiply 3x minus 3. Okay, so this entire term if I shift to that side, what I will get? 3x minus 3 minus y minus 1 equal to 0. So this one is 3x minus y minus 4 equal to 0. So which is required equation of a line. So which is required equation of a line. Is it clear everyone? So all of you note down this. It's a very easy problem. Okay, based on formula only. So all of you note down this. Next guys, slope intercept form of a straight line. Okay, in this case, in this slope intercept form, we have two cases. Okay, y intercept and x intercept. Okay, so what is mean by y intercept and what is mean by x intercept? Okay, here I will show you in the diagrammatical way. You see here all of you, in the y intercept form, the diagram will be, okay, you see here this is x axis, this is y axis. Okay, a line cuts the y axis at a distance c from the origin. So this is c. Okay, a line cuts the y axis. Okay, so at a distance c from the origin. So this is c. Is it clear everyone? So this line is L here. So with the slope m, okay, a line, suppose a line L with slope m cuts the y axis at a distance c from origin. Okay, is it clear everyone? So now this distance from here to here, which is called y intercept. Okay, all of you understand? Okay, once again I am repeating. If suppose a line L with the slope m cuts the y axis at a distance c units from the origin. Okay, so this c is called, the distance c is called y intercept of a line. Okay, is it clear? So this point will be 0 comma c. Guys, all of you observe here. So this point from here to here, the distance is c means. So this point is 0, c. Why it is 0, c? The point lies on the y-axis. So always x values are 0. So this point is 0, c. Now all of you observe here. So this line is passing through 0, c, and with the line slope is m. So we can apply here point slope form of a straight line. Is it clear, everyone? Now, so all of you note down the introduction here. If suppose a line, suppose a line L with slope m, cuts the y-axis, at a distance c units from the origin, okay. Now the distance c is called y-intercept. The distance c is called y-intercept. Okay, y-intercept. Now, if the coordinates of the point, the line meets the y-axis, it becomes 0, c. Okay, if the coordinates of the point, line meets the y-axis, is 0, c. Now the line is passing through the point and the line slope is m. So here we have to apply point slope form. Okay, you represent here. So thus the line slope is the line L, slope is m, and it is passing through 0, c. Okay. Now, so the equation of a line is so the equation of line L is okay. So here what I am applying here, by using point slope form of a straight line. Okay, so by using point slope form of a straight line, point slope form of the equation of a line, equation of the line L is okay. So what is the equation here? Y minus y1 y naught equal to m into x minus x naught. Okay, here x naught comma y naught is what? 0, c. Line slope is what? M. So y minus c equal to m into x minus 0. Okay, this becomes what I will get? Y minus c equal to mx. So this equation will be y equal to mx plus c. Okay, so now, so this is the y-intercept form of a straight line. Okay, all of you listen very carefully. Okay, so if a line cuts the y-axis at a distance c units from the origin, if the line slope is m. Okay, so then the equation of the line is y equal to mx plus c. Is it clear, everyone? Okay, so they will ask the questions based on this formula. Equation of a line cuts the y-axis at a y-intercept c. Equation of a line with the y-intercept is c. Okay, with the line slope is m. Then what is the equation of a line? If they ask, direct formula is y equal to mx plus c. Is it clear, everyone? Okay, all of you note down here. So thus the equation equation of a line, equation of a line makes a y-intercept, equation of a line with the y-intercept is c, with the y-intercept is c, with the slope, with the line slope is m. Okay, then equation of a line is y equal to mx plus c. Is it clear, everyone? So all of you note down. I will discuss case 2 here. All of you note down. Now all of you see here case 2. X-intercept. X-intercept means equation of a line cuts the x-axis at a distance d units from the origin. Okay, let me draw a diagram here. So this is x-axis, this is y-axis. So the non-vertical line is like this. Okay, so this is L. Okay, so from here to here, so this is origin. From here to here, the distance is d. So this point becomes what I will get? D comma 0. Okay, now this line slope is m. So then by using slope point form, if you find the equation of a line, so you will get y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x naught. Sorry, y minus y naught equal to m into x minus x naught. Here x naught comma y naught and the line slope is m. Okay, if I solve the equation of a line, so what we will get, we will prove it now. Okay, so suppose a line L with the slope m, okay, and makes an x-intercept, is d. Okay, then the equation of a line is, okay, so what is the formula? Y minus y naught. What is y naught here? 0 equal to m into x minus x naught. X naught is d here. So if I simplify, what I will get? Y equal to m into x minus d. Okay, so this is x-intercept form of a straight line. So y equal to mx plus c is y-intercept form of a straight line. So y equal to m into x minus d is x-intercept form of a straight line. Is it clear, everyone? So all of you, this cases is very important for JEE mains concepts. Okay, so based on this formula, so many problems they discuss. Okay, all of you listen very carefully. Okay, so all of you note down this. Now guys, all of you see here example 4 here. So write the equation of a line for which tan theta equal to 1 by 2. Here theta is inclination of a line. Then they gave y-intercept is minus 3 by 2 and the x-intercept is 4 they give. Okay, indirectly tan theta equal to is what ma? Slope of a line. So m equal to 1 by 2 they give. Here y-intercept c value they give and the x-intercept d value they give. Okay, by using y-intercept formula and x-intercept formula, we have to solve this problem. Is it clear, everyone? Okay, so now all of you note down. So solution, given that slope of a line is m equal to tan theta, which is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, now y-intercept is c equal to minus 3 by 2. Okay, now x-intercept is b equal to 4. Okay, they are asking case first problem and second problem, so you can take it here. So by using, so first problem is by using slope intercept form, by using slope intercept form, slope intercept form. Okay, so what I will get here, m equal to 1 by 2 and c value is what, minus 3 by 2. Then the equation of a y intercept form of a straight line is what, y equal to mx plus c. Is it clear everyone? Now y equal to m value is what here, 1 by 2 into x. C value is what here, minus 3 by 2. So if I take it LCM here, this one is x minus 3 by 2. Okay, so if I cross multiply, what I will get, 2y equal to x minus 3. If 2y goes to that side, x minus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, so this is required equation of a straight line. Okay, next the second problem is, all of you note down this. I will discuss second problem. Okay, the second problem is, this one. So what they give slope is 1 by 2. Okay, and the x-intercept what they give, x-intercept equal to 4 they give. So now if by using slope point form, by using slope intercept form, slope intercept form of a straight line, form of a straight line. The line is whenever they mention x intercept, what is the equation of a straight line? Y equal to m into x minus b. So y equal to m into x minus b. So y equal to m value is what here? 1 by 2 into x minus b value is what? X minus 4. Okay. Now if I cross multiply, what I will get here? 2y equal to x minus 4. Okay. So now if I shift that side, what I will get? X minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. So this is the required equation of a straight line. Okay. Is it clear for everyone? What is y-intercept form of a straight line? What is x-intercept form of a straight line? Okay. So we have to know the difference here. Okay. So if it is y-intercept, it is c units distance from the origin. Okay. So if it is x-intercept, it is d units from the origin. Okay. Is it clear everyone? Okay, all of you note down this. Now you see here the next form of a straight line here, intercept form of a straight line. Okay, the difference between previous formula and this formula is, so previously it makes only intercept with the y axis and it makes intercept with the x axis, but intercept form of a straight line means it makes intercept with both the x axis and the y axis. Is it clear everyone? So let me draw the diagram here. So y axis and the x axis I am taking. Okay, let me take a non-vertical line. So this is the non-vertical line. Okay, so this is denoted by capital L. Okay, so this line makes an intercept with the x axis is from here to here, from origin to this point. The distance is what? A. Okay, from origin to this point, the distance is what? Small b. Okay, so you suppose a line makes an x-intercept a units from the origin. Okay, makes an y-intercept from the origin is b. Okay, so this line is cutting the x-axis at the point a comma 0 and y-axis at the point is 0 comma b. Is it clear everyone? Now if you observe clearly, so this line is passing through 2 points. Okay, so then by using 2-point form of a straight line, then I can find the equation of a straight line in the intercept form. Is it clear everyone? So all of you understand what is intercept form of a straight line? Intercept form of a straight line makes x-intercept a and y-intercept b. Then the equation of a line we have to derive now. Okay, so solution introduction you have to write. Suppose a line L makes, suppose a line L makes x-intercept a units and y-intercept b units from x and y axis respectively. Sorry, with the x and y axis respectively. X axis and y axis respectively. Okay, then if a line cuts the x axis, the coordinates of point this one is a comma 0. Okay, if a line cuts the x axis at a point a comma 0 and cuts the y axis at a point 0 comma b. Okay, then equation of a intercept form of a straight line is by using 2-point form of a straight line we have to derive. So by 2-point form equation of a line L is okay. Formula is what? Y minus y1. Okay, so this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. So y minus y1, y minus 0 equal to y2 minus y1. So b minus 0 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So what I get here? Finally y equal to b by minus a into x minus a. So if I cross multiply, what will get here? Minus ay equal to b. If I multiply inside, bx minus ab. Okay, so this minus ay goes to that side, this minus ab goes to this side. Finally what I get the equation? bx plus ay equal to ab. Okay, is it clear everyone? So now both sides, if I divide with ab on both sides, so what I will get? bx plus ay by b. So ab by b. So this value equal to 1. So here individually I have to divide. So what I will get here? bx by ab plus ay by ab. So which is equal to 1. So bb get cancelled, aa get cancelled. So finally what I will get the equation here? X by a plus y by b equal to 1. Okay, is it clear everyone? So intercept form of a straight line is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Okay, so based on this formula they will ask the question, equation of a line makes x-intercept is a and y-intercept b. Okay, then the equation of a line is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Is it clear everyone? So all of you write the conclusion here. So equation of a line makes x-intercept a and y-intercept is b. Okay, and the equation is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Okay, so all of you understand what is the difference between slope intercept form and intercept form of a straight line? Okay, so intercept form of a straight line means it is intersecting both the x-axis and the y-axis. Okay, is it clear everyone? So all of you note down, I will discuss one problem based on this. Now guys, all of you see here, by using intercept form of a straight line I am telling one problem. So find the equation of a line which makes intercept -3 and 2 on the x-axis and the y-axis respectively. So this is x-intercept, this is y-intercept, which means, so given, so x-intercept is denoted by small a, which is equal to what ma? -3, and y-intercept value is what ma? B equal to 2. Okay, so by using intercept form of a line, by using intercept form, equation of a line is, line L is x by -3. So what is the formula? X by a plus y by b equal to 1. So what is a value here? -3. What is b value here? +2 by 1. Okay. So if I take it LCM here, I will get here 2x minus 3y by -6 equal to 1. Okay. So now if I cross multiply -6 that side, 2x minus 3y equal to -6. Okay. Now if I shift this side, 2x minus 3y plus 6 equal to 0. So this is called required equation of a line. Okay. Is it clear everyone? So I think all of you understand the today's class. It's a very basic formulas in the straight line. Okay. So in the next class I will discuss normal form of a straight line. Okay. And then I will start the exercise 10.2. We will discuss some problems based on this synopsis. Okay. I hope all of you understand what I told in the today's class. Okay. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day. Okay.